Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where can you find your loyalty or membership card and how to add it to your Apple Wallet on the Abercrombie application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the account button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then go to the top and click on this barcode icon in the upper right corner of the screen. So here can you find your ID with your barcode. If you would like to add it to your Apple Wallet, tap on the Add to Apple Wallet button below. And then it will be added to your Apple Wallet account. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.